In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome. If pop-up windows keep appearing while you browse, they can quickly become distracting and interrupt what you're doing. The good news is that Google Chrome includes a built-in setting that lets you block most pop-ups and redirects in just a few moments. I'll walk you through exactly where to find that setting and how to turn it on so your browsing experience feels cleaner and less intrusive. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to many of Chrome's tools and settings. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can manage privacy options, appearance, security, and website permissions. On the left-hand side, or sometimes within the main settings area, depending on your version of Chrome, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for how Chrome handles your safety, permissions, and browsing behavior. Next, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you manage what websites are allowed to do, such as using your camera, sending notifications, or opening pop-ups. Once you're in Site Settings, scroll until you find pop-ups and redirects, then click it. Now you'll see the main control for this feature. To disable pop-ups in Google Chrome, select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Once this option is selected, Chrome will begin blocking pop-ups and redirect attempts from most websites automatically. This setting is especially helpful for reducing interruptions and avoiding suspicious pages that try to open without your permission. Keep in mind that some legitimate websites may use pop-ups for important functions, like sign-in windows or downloads. If you ever run into a site that needs pop-ups to work properly, Chrome usually gives you the option to allow them for that specific website later without turning pop-ups back on for every site. And that's it. After changing this setting, you can close the tab or continue browsing, and Chrome will remember your preference. If you found this helpful, now you know exactly where to go whenever you want to manage pop-ups and redirects in Google Chrome.